If you want to grow glowing skin less difficultly, don't worry, we have some magical natural ingredients which support reaching an effective outcome. Hello friends, welcome to the traditional home remedies. My name is Pallavi, and today I am going to share with you two powerful homemade face packs for glowing skin. Face packs are skin nourishment for a natural healthy glow. In the old period, women have prepared facial masks by using herbs, fruits, vegetables, and other components from the kitchen. It is the finest way for us to feel beautiful inside and out. There is nothing healthier than natural face masks. Homemade face packs do miracles for your skin. In this video, I am going to share with you two homemade face packs to get glowing skin which you can prepare with the help of your kitchen ingredients. Remedy 1. Red lentil, also known as masoor dal, and almond face pack. You will need 1 teaspoon of red lentils, also known as masoor dal, 2 almonds, and 3 to 4 drops of lemon juice. Directions. Take 1 teaspoon of red lentil, also known as masoor dal, and 2 almonds in a bowl and soak these overnight. The next day grind these to form a paste and add 3 to 4 drops of lemon juice to it. Apply this pack on your face and neck for 10 minutes, then wash your face with normal water. If you want, you can make a dry powder of masoor dal and almond and then store it in an airtight container. When you will apply, you can add rose water and lemon juice to it. Almond is an outstanding source of vitamin E, which gives that nourishment to your skin. It will provide you with youthful quality. Masoor dal has whitening acids that help in brightening the skin. It takes out dead skin cells, brings about glowing skin. Vitamin C and ascorbic acid in lemon assistance improve up the skin. Remedy 2. Fuller's Earth, also known as Multani Mitti, and yogurt face pack. You will need 1 teaspoon of Multani Mitti, 1 teaspoon of yogurt, and 4 to 5 drops of lemon juice. Directions. To make this pack, mix Multani Mitti, yogurt with 4 to 5 drops of lemon juice. Apply it on your face for 10 to 15 minutes. Use after 3 to 4 times. In a week you can see the result. Yogurt covers wonderfully high levels of lactic acid that are good for your skin. It supports to retain your skin nourished and hydrated. Many years ago, Multani Mitti used it for clean and radiant skin. It can progress the skin texture all over the skin and give you healthy skin that you have at all times dreamed of. Homemade face masks give you glowing skin. It makes your skin rejuvenated. So my expectation is these two remedies are supportive for you. If you have any queries, please comment below. I will try to solve the question. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching.